Speaking of Congressman, may update na rin po ba kay Martin Romualdez? And I know na dinidinig na rin po ng mga mahistrado ng Sandigan Bayan yung inyong motion po to discharge former Secretary Bonoan. But what will happen if
We're very
in
close to
case
it.
po na hindi ma-approve yung motion?
We're very close to filing the plunder charges, but we still have to cross the T's and dot some I's and probably put periods in sentences. Yun na lang, ganun kalapit na yan. That's why I didn't deliberately talk about that. Pero the cases are just about ready for preliminary investigation. Mamaya paliliwanag ni Miko yung concept ng preliminary investigation kung bakit kinakailangan. Kasi marami hindi nakakaunawa, but naimbestigan nyo na, meron na naman PI. Eh, ganun po talaga ang lipunan na may sistema ng batas na pinangangalagaan ang karapatan ng bawat isang nasasakdal. Kaya meron tayong preliminary investigation para to protect the rights of people who may be accused of any crime.